To fix the Maytag dryer L2 error code, first understand what it means. The L2 error code indicates a problem with the dryer's moisture sensing system. This system is designed to detect the level of moisture in the clothes and automatically stop the dryer when the clothes are dry. Start by checking the moisture sensing bars located inside the dryer drum. These bars can become covered in lint and debris, which can cause the error code. Unplug the dryer and remove the lint filter. Check the moisture sensing bars and clean them gently with a soft brush or a dry cloth. Next, check the dryer's venting system. A clogged vent can cause the moisture sensing system to malfunction, resulting in the L2 error code. Check the vent hose for kinks or blockages and make sure it is properly connected to the dryer and the outside vent. If the moisture sensing bars and venting system are clean and clear, the problem may be with the dryer's control board or moisture sensing circuit. In this case, it is recommended to consult a professional appliance repair technician to prevent the L2 error code from occurring in the future. Regularly clean the lint filter and moisture sensing bars, and check the venting system for blockages. It is also a good idea to have your dryer serviced annually to ensure it is working properly and efficiently. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Maytag dryer L2 error code and get your dryer working again. Remember to always unplug the dryer before attempting any repairs, and consult a professional if you are unsure or uncomfortable with the repair process.